Alright, and alright, hello and welcome. How's it going? Welcome to another stream. It's been a while since I streamed so often, and that's like 2 in the same week. Damn. But yeah, hey. I just, well, either way I have to keep working on my jam game for the game jam. And, you know, why am I cut off? It's weird. Can I bring me closer? Hey, Cyan, welcome. What if I do this? Nope. This. Nope. This? No, it's the camera doesn't focus. I changed something. Anyway, it will figure it out at some point, I guess. Why is it not centered? Well, whatever. Yeah, so, yeah, I would have to keep working on the game in a way, and the best way to just keep doing stuff is if people are watching, so that's why I'm streaming. This is the state of the game right now. It's not really a game, but we have movement, we have animation, we have our cute little player character, and he also attacks, and yeah, I worked on making it feel a bit juicy, and it does feel juicy, so that's cool. Yeah, I was thinking of playing around with some shaders for the environment right now, because I have a vision in my head about how this could potentially look. Maybe it will work out. But in general, I want like a... Well, first off, I want to add plenty of grass, but I also want to give like a ruins feel to the whole level. Hey, Mitch, welcome. And also, for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason, I want to make this all look like it's raining. And so I wanted to make a rainy ground shader. So yeah. Oh, thanks, Cyan. Yeah, I'm glad it's looking juicy. It feels good as well. Though, you know what? I can also add some rumble. I brought in some events from the other project where I had a bunch of cool feedback stuff. Hey, Val, welcome to the stream. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll just... This is a game jam. I don't have a plan. I'm just doing stuff, and you know, as I remember doing stuff, I do more stuff, and eventually a game gets made, or it doesn't. We'll see. Hey, Lag Studio. I'm actually a bit concerned about the shader, because I'm using my custom deferred cell shading, so everything is using it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, thanks. I'm glad you like the movement. Hello, Mr. Sark. Mr. Red Sark, welcome to the stream. Alright, so ground shader. Let's start with that. Shader. It's gonna be standard surface shader. I mean, since I'm doing all the cell shading in the deferred shader, if it's surface shader, then it just works. So, I'm gonna call this ground shader. Not very imaginative, but basically it's just gonna be like a regular shader. Thanks, Mr. Red Shark. And thanks for the follow. It's gonna be a regular shader, probably with no metallic whatsoever, but it will have puddles. Puddles with water, and those puddles will have, you know, some rainy ripples on them. Maybe it will look good, maybe not, we'll see. What I do know is that, okay, I have maintained, I have the color, that's all good and fine and dandy. I also want wall position. Oh, just because that's what I will be using to actually map the textures. And you know what? Should I do that? No, you know. No, I'm just gonna use 2 textures. I was thinking of maybe doing because I'm gonna be using some kind of noise to add like puddles here and there. And maybe procedural would be the way to go, because that way I could avoid repetition. But I feel that it could be expensive and I could have more control with like a couple of textures. So that's what I'm gonna do. So gonna add two noises, noise A, or like noise A. I don't. Yeah, whatever. Noise A, and this is B. I also want some tiling information. So noise A, noise B. And yeah, let's get that noise float. Noise equals text to B. Say we'll pause XZ. I mean it's ground. Multiplied by noise A plus noise A. Sorry, ST plus noise A ST ZW. And for the other noise, I'll probably multiply it. I'm probably gonna do the whole noise A multiplied by noise B multiplied by 2. Maybe that will look cool. I don't know. Do you think using Centigraph is a faster way to get a random noise? Well, okay. Centigraph does have a node for generating noise, right? Gradient. I think it's a gradient noise node, right? But the thing is that it's doing basically the stuff that oh wait, what is it doing? Integrating noise deer. Oh yeah, it's basically doing what I want to avoid, which is to make it procedural. Yeah, it also has a simple noise. So yeah, if I want to make it procedural, I mean, I don't know, is it performant enough? It could be. Yeah, I wouldn't say. Yeah, maybe it's faster, but I mean, again, it's not like I would write the noise, the procedural noise code from scratch. I would just copy and paste it and then use a function. So, is it faster? I don't know. Not for me, I guess. Okay, let's see how that looks. Ground shader. And use, well, the clouds one. The cloud is a good one. Okay. And use maybe the clouds one again, but like this. And yeah, I'm probably gonna threshold it. So I'm probably gonna hard code some smoothness there, to be honest. So stop noise threshold. Yeah, all right. I could get some puddles from these. Yeah, that's looking right. And it's, you know, in wall space, so no matter how big my plane is, yeah, it's random and not repetitive enough either way, like you can't see much on the screen. So that's cool. I'm actually gonna smooth the noise threshold plus, I don't know, 0.1 noise. Hey, crafter sis, yeah. Thanks for loving my work. Well, if you're talking about the text editor, it's just like Visual Studio Code, and yeah, I just send over all the plugins I use to make it look like this. Okay, 0.1. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe just maybe use this one instead. Yeah, in fact, you know what? I'm just gonna make the smoothness a slider as well. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be cool. So I can actually move here, and I guess smoothness is gonna be glossiness multiplied by the noise, because I don't think I'm gonna be using. Okay, right now it doesn't so much. It would if I actually used also that. Though I think also that's part of my cell shading thingy. Yeah. No, but that's alright. That's okay. Because I'm actually planning on doing something kind of stupid. But I'm not sure if it will work well. Where am I working on right now? As in like the project, or like my actual location? Oh, the project. Well, it's a game I'm making for the technically game jam that I'm hosting on the Discord server that we have. And yeah, it's gonna be a boss rush kind of game. Well, basically for the jam I'm just gonna have like the one single boss fight, but I'm also, you know, just now working on visuals and stuff. Okay, give me 1 sec, I will be right back. And I'm back. Oh, thanks, Paul. Yeah, so, you know what, I'll try something. And when it inevitably won't work, I will try the crazy thing that I have in mind. So, like, if I actually use a reflection probe, you know what, just add the skybox, I mean, it doesn't matter. Wait, anything, and wait, just the... Yeah, alright, I have a crazy idea. I have a very crazy idea. Let's try this crazy idea. So, projects, city lab. I have someone to make sound effects for the game. Yeah, I'm working with let me find the nickname, with Ramita. And they have the music handle for sure. Probably sound effects as well. But if I end up needing help, I will let you know, for sure. I can just copy C subscripts, get the accent code without knowing how to code. First off, hey, welcome to the stream. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, it's not ideal because no script that you find online will do exactly what you want. You would need to, know at least some basics in order to make it work like exactly how you want it. So in one sense you can, and maybe it's a good way to start learning as well, but definitely some fundamentals of coding would be necessary to actually make even the slightest change to whatever C# code you can find. Where is the... Oh, wait. Project Cedar Lab. Yeah, it's in Cedar Lab. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, is this it? Is this does seem like it's it. Yeah, okay. And is it... Sure, I'm gonna make this global. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do something stupid, so bear with me here. First off, I'm gonna make a plane. I don't really need it to be visible, but I just for now. And I wanna set it to the exact height of my ground here, which is 0.5. That's a good thing to know. And now, inner reflection reflections using this plane. Let's see first off if it's working. It should be working. Yeah, seems to be working. Okay. Computer won't be too happy about it, but whatever. I'm gonna change the script a little bit just because I wanted to use not the reflector material. What's that? No, screw all that. I just want this to be center set global texture global planar reflection texture. There you go. There you go. Yeah, and now wait, what script did I change? I changed my script, right? Just making sure. Yeah, I changed my own script, all right. And for these, okay, so you know I can also do that, but I can also blur people. Vision. And noise. I have actually make it screen pause. Node for screen pause and just make sure I'm doing things properly. Where are you? Where are you? Reflection. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. Why is it not? Oh, I think it's mostly because if I look my character from below, yeah, there's not much to see. And also maybe and see my character. Oh, that's handy. Okay. Is it not seeing my character though? Seeing everything else, like literally everything else but my character. Yeah, I was thinking maybe it's a layer thing, but it has no reason. I mean, it sees all the VFX. It sees like, it even sees the distortion, which is something that I don't want it to see. So let me actually change that, because it definitely doesn't like my distortion. I'm gonna make a VFX layer. And yeah, okay. Layer max. Calling mask. Why doesn't it see the player? No, thanks for the follow, Itzy. And thanks for the reminder. Okay, like if I, let's say this, I can move this camera freely now. Oh, well, you're not wrong, but it's... Okay, let me rename this, thank you. Yeah, no, like, everything but the player. Frame debugger, that's a good idea. Well, thanks for the follow, Dimitri. Yeah, I'm not sure if it will help, but I'm mostly curious here. I mean, I can live without the planar reflections, but this is weird, right? It is weird. Yeah, like draw mess, whatever, yeah. Draw mess, cube and all that. Camera custom render. Depth posture. Okay, it does seem to draw my player there in the depth. Like when it comes to drawing, forward opaque. It only renders opaque geometry. only renders in forward. Can you not have like two cameras rendering deferred? It makes sense not to show up for my player not to show up if the other camera is rendering in forward, because it uses a deferred shader. But the thing is, why? Okay, oh, here are all the messes, but it's rendering in forward. Okay, it seems that the second camera only renders in forward. That's weird, right? And let's say that I'm gonna use a standard shader here. Okay, it's showing up here. Wait, so standard, thank you. Camera component. Well, rendering path is deferred. It's using the graphic settings, and it's all set to deferred. And I mean, even if, wait, let me change the material back, for example. I can set the reflection camera's path to deferred, and it seems to still ignore me. Like if I hit enable on the frame debugger, you can see that it still draws in forward. Oh, the other camera is using graphic settings, and the other camera, well, I mean, they both use graphic settings, which is deferred, but I can also make that explicit, like deferred here, and like go through the code and actually say, hey, reflection camera, rendering path, deferred setting, like make it very explicit. Let's see. Nope. And if I open frame debugger, yeah, still drawing in forward. Is it a bug? Seems like it's a bug. Like, could you not have two cameras rendered in the third? Yeah, maybe it's a limitation? Shadow is a must-have feature with this water effect. Yeah, it does have a shadow. I can probably go even lower here. Resolution. Border res should be fine for this. That's fine. I mean, I wasn't dead set on using my cell shader anyway. think that's fine. Yeah, I think it looks cool. I think it can look cool. Oh yeah, this is what I'll be going with. Yeah, alright, I'm kind of happy with this. And you know, since I'm gonna be using the built-in shader for this. Yeah, I'll be able to take advantage of some of the normals here. So let's do just that. So, I want to add some ripples. Ripples. And I think a good way to do that would be yoink. Let me show you what I'm yoinking from. This is my go-to tutorial when it comes to doing anything with Voronoi. So let me just add it here, and let me also grab the noise, the random texture. Let me random to do. Oh no, I have that already. I just call it random. Oh, I don't have the other one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Fine. I'm gonna do it that way. Alright, cool. Let's see some Voronoi. Instead, bye ripple scale. Awesome. Oh, thanks for the follow. Though, why? Oh, okay. X. Doesn't that return view? Oh. Oh, that's a... oh. That's a typo. I should probably notify Ronnie about that. Okay, so, and the Y will be... Awesome. Let's get it down. So now that means that I can have some ripples out of this. Alright, so let's first make it like this. Yeah. Some. What did you do? I'll hard code some values and go from there. So if I do this, this, yeah, sweet procedural. Okay, maybe fine, I guess. I can make sure to upload it like Studio. I think I'll be doing some interesting stuff, so sure. Y multiplied by 5. And I can multiply the whole thing again by x. Quite tightly packed, so let me instead that from 5 to 6. Much better. Oh, thanks. Why is it only there though? Is it because of these? Oh, no, that's just how that looks. Okay. thanks for the follow. I think that this would be easier. Oh, it's because all that. Oh, thanks so much. Welcome to the stream. That's great. I think that's good enough. All right. So let's turn that to some normals. I have a method here. I can yoink. No, I don't want it to be from texture. No, can I get it from? Okay. There's this cool little normal from height node, which could help that transform wall to tangent lines. Jesus. Oh. Tangent matrix. Okay. It's gonna be more annoying than I thought. do it the other way. I could do it the other way. What the frick is a tangent matrix? Okay, I will admit that if I were using shader graph here, that could be better, mostly because it has whatever these are. You know what? I'm gonna try and steal something. Okay, so I'm using the latest LTS version 2021.3, and shader graph is available in built-in, and I could supposedly use it to make the shader. Now, I'm not gonna do that precisely because I don't want to, but I can make a little dummy shader using this node and then yoink the code to actually make it work with my own. And that might work. Maybe, potentially, we'll see. So if I go here and make a shader graph, built-in lead shader graph, and call it not a shader, and go here, height, remove from height, and yeah, go over to the tangent space. That's cool. Save that asset, and now if I generated shader, Jesus. Jesus, though, it's like, why so many lines of code? It's just like it's barely a shader. God damn it. Anyway. Yeah, okay, he doesn't know half of this. Okay. Okay. Dangles has a solution for me. Files. So that should no. Okay. And yay, that's kind of working. They look bad, but we can fix that. I think that the strength is just way too high. So any reaction whatsoever, no. Okay, then. It's because it's then being normalized. I get it, makes a lot of sense. And the normals just get really, really messed up. Okay, you know what? Instead of that, I'm just gonna do. Yeah, okay. Yeah, much better. Yeah, sure. Alright, okay. It's kind of looking good. Okay, I need to change player shader. I'm gonna make a, I don't know, call it main shader, or yeah, main shader, I guess, because it's what all objects will have. That's looking kinda cool, actually. Okay, it has a main texture, glossiness, and metallic, because why not? Let me steal some things from here. Well, first off, culling is probably gonna change from thing to thing. So add that here. I don't know. Yeah, I want all that. I want that as well. It's gonna come in handy real soon. Normal. If I need it, I will add it. And let's add mission override color, mission color, mission texture. Rim lighting, it could have some rim lighting. I might change. Yeah, I'll sell. I will cell shade it. I'll cell shade it. Mission color, mission. No mission override. There's no mission override. Where's the mission override? Oh, it's an instance prop. Good idea, that should be an instance prop. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Emission color. Picture is white. Here. And all that is, I think it's getting hit. And that's just to give it some color in the shadows. Alright. And now obviously I need to make a custom lighting model because standard lighting is no, we're not gonna have that. So cell shading. Alright. Now let me consult my other cell shaders. You know what? Just get the whole thing. It's working. It's a good shader. Specular color with smoothness. Okay, I'm gonna need a specular color. Specular. Oh yeah, no, don't worry about that. Specular color, rim size, shadow bands, shadow color. I'm not really using that, so I'm gonna eat that. Light cutoff, I do that. Sorry about that. Let me actually, close it. Colored shadows. Yeah, no colored shadows here. You know what? Just leave it. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing almost at this point. Colored shadows, and I want shadow rim, specular color, all that stuff. Sizer, color, shadow rim. Set of bands, set of color, shadows, and set of bands, and light cutoff. Seeing the shadow color, I think, because I removed that. Working, no, doesn't know what metallic is. Yeah, no, screw metallic. Screw metallic. For this either. Okay, alright, the rest seem to be okay. That does look a little weird. Oh well. Hey, it's D. How's it going? Stream is dropping some frames. Other than that, I think we're good. So ground center. Okay, I also wanted to do some work on the dusting because it doesn't look good when it's not animating, and I'm not actually gonna add any dusting animation, just gonna do it in a procedural way and possibly add some VFX to that. So let's see. So when I'm dusting, here it is, a dusk routine. Okay, so I'm gonna need a reference to the graphics. And here I can say do scale. I do have some between here. So do scale to 0, 3. It doesn't matter, and do scale back up. For these back out. Back out. Okay. Why am I? Oh. Oh, hey, Staff, welcome. Okay, something funny is happening. So, because when I'm attacking, I want the player to kind of move towards the way they're attacking. I do a little dash essentially, and because I just made the player like scale down and all that. Now that happens too when they attack, and it's just funny. So okay, oh, thanks so much. Yeah, it's still very much very early, but yeah, I'm just I can't help but focus on visuals. Dust effects. I don't know. Dust effects. Then do that, and we'll also have some particles as well. Dust effects. Yeah, it really is. The jam is 1 week. It started on Monday and it will end this Monday. I should be focusing on other stuff, but yeah. I just realized that now. True. And false. Alright, now I can also change these to actually look better. So scale down much faster, scale up faster as well. Technically halfway through. I think so. No, gonna fall. No. Okay. Is there a theme? Yeah, there's a theme. It's more centered around mechanics and around design. So the theme is like X but Y. So like an initial existing game or genre, but you do a twist on it. Like my take for this, for example, is kind of like maybe Death's Door or Hyper Light Drifter, but it's gonna be kind of like a 2-player co-op boss rush. Now I'm just one person in my house, so I don't have the ability to actually test it with like 2 people, but I am designing with that in mind. Some other guys for example, are making like Call of Duty, but also like Katamari, and you have a giant rolling ball and guns stick to it, and it can shoot buddies, and yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, that's kind of the theme. Yeah, no, right? It did sound legit amazing. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Yeah, I for the next jams will probably like pick the themes from through the community and all that, and vote and all that. But for this jam, because it was the first, I wanted to pick the theme myself. And I mean, it did suit what I wanted to make with this game, really. But I also thought it would be an interesting theme, like it would fuel lots of creativity there. Okay, yeah, dust effects. What could it look like when it does? Let's see. Oh, I mean, it's pretty open, but your project does look pretty cool. I'm not sure though what like you based it on, so I'm not sure what you're going for. No shape. Let's take one mission. Speed. Big. Use the materials with X circle. Oh, that's cool. I like Binding of Isaac. Okay. Let's make it this again. Custom data, custom XYZ, custom data, vector, cut, curve, dissolve. What if I added some noise there? Voice. That messed up with this, so let me fix it real quick. I mean, I could just make another material, but I do like this. Does it not dissolve completely? Okay. actually gonna be local. Sure, start rotation might be something random. Well, there's all that max, but whatever. Need some distortion so that it sticks here. He's a bit intense, isn't it? Some glow. Should also probably be local. The glow, I don't care. That's maybe. First off, none of them should loop or play on a whim. All right. Why not? is an annoying thing. Yeah, I'm not sure how to combat this, and I don't know if I will eventually. I think I will have more assets around, so it's not so barren. But yeah, that's a thing. Like, depth of field is based on, well, depth, and transparent objects do not write to depth, so these only receive proper depth as long as they are on top of opaque objects. So here it's as if, you know, they're really far away, so they get blurred from the depth of field. It's an annoying thing. Developing just like a duration of 1. Yeah, how much does it does? Duration 0.15. Damn. Okay. 5 maybe. But not like way more. Okay. Let's see. And here. And we'll see where that takes us. This VFX. Okay. Some issues I can see. Why is this here? Can I? What in the? No, what? Shoot. Can you just go there, please? Thank you. Okay, so first off, this, and this, you know, everything should be in wall space. Thank you. Also, everything scaling mode hierarchy. Doesn't change anything, but it should be. This should be much less, and duration should be also less. And take 2. Something is off. I know what's off. Look. See, you can hide a bunch of things behind VFX. Okay, the particles, much smaller radius. I did like this thinner line thing that it had going on for it. Also smaller. Also, you know what? Some of them will be black because reasons. Okay, that's done. Next. This will last twice as long. And this as well. Now the glow. Yeah, it's fine. When would you use VFX graph over silicon particles for this? Never, because it's simplistic, or is it CPU thing? Well, it's more than that. It's also a built-in versus URP HDRP thing as well, because VFX graph is not available in built-in pipeline, and I am salty about that. Besides that, yeah, maybe I wouldn't use VFX graph for this, because I'm not doing anything complex in motion or with like VFX graph really shines because of its ability to make complex effects with like I don't know, skinned mesh renderers and you know, velocity, turbulence, and spawn a buttload of particles, and they can also have permanence, which is like really cool. Like so for simple effects like that, even if I had access to VFX graph, I probably would still use Shuriken. Also, there's a bit of sunk cost fallacy there, because you know, I mainly work with Shuriken, and I mostly know that, so you know, I'm more comfortable working with that. Okay. No, and you know what? What's up with? Oh. Well, I mean, it's fine, probably. It naturally looks so, or is there a shader that is refracting it? The distortion texture is, let me show you. It's just this one. Yeah, just this one. It's just like a normal ring. And yeah, there's not much to that. There's also like a mask texture around it, just to soften the distortion a little bit, and of course chromatic aberration. I use maybe, you know what, I want to use sparks. It's better, and also I will try and inherit some velocity. Give me some velocity. Gimme. How would that look? Yeah, not so much, like maybe 0.2. Can I dump it? I should probably try dumping it. I think that's looking alright. Yeah. Wait, I have some changes. Thank you. Okay. Oh damn, Sam, just saw the progress on your game. It's looking awesome. It's behind another bar. I might make this even like slightly more. Oh my god, I can be famous, finally. Yeah, they've stopped posting the link, so I don't know, maybe I don't know. Yeah, maybe they've done something, I don't know. Screw that rotation. Really change the orientation when I'm rotating, because it's supposedly like in wall space it shouldn't. It should just stay put. Really gonna have to add some invisible walls around there. How does the reflection work? It's planar reflections. There's another camera here mirroring the main camera. One main cool thing though about it is that it also, this little system also uses like oblique projection to basically clip at the level of the ground, so it doesn't have that issue where, you know, if you move something close to the camera, you know, it appears then on the reflections. No, if you can actually see it's pretty cool. If I select the reflection camera here, let's go here. You see this box. Come on. You know, as I'm moving it under the plane, it basically gets clipped, which is pretty cool. That's something that was missing from my first planar tutorial, planar reflection approach. So yeah, this is looking much better. On a layer to get ignored. Hey, I'm an operator. Thank you. No, the ground is no, it's not. It could get rendered, but the thing is that first off, you know, because well, basically it gets clipped right at the plane of the ground. So, and you know, this is the back face. So yeah, so it just doesn't. Okay, this is looking cool. Well, how big? This is like 200 meters. The annoying thing though is that I can't really use the same material. I mean, I could. Like, I'm not sure what good this will look, because you know, since I'm changing the level here, yeah, the projection is off. The material gets render texture plugged in. Yeah, exactly. The render texture from the reflection camera. It's actually made to be a global texture. So every shader can access it. You know what? These particles will actually... Why do not do this? Why did I move it? Jesus. How do you make it global? Oh, that's the easy part. Instead of saying, you know, renderer or, you know, sorry, to the material set texture, you just use shader set global texture, and yeah, you define a keyword, and then, you know, every shader, where's the ground shader? Every shader that declares that, you know, you can use it from there. Basically, that's how textures like the camera depth texture and, you know, other Unity provided textures work. Okay. I want it to be more chill with the inherent velocity because it's hiding. Okay. I am gonna art something. So I probably want some sort of uh, railings around these, and I should probably make something that's like 4 meters, and just use it all around these or something like that. Oh, no worries. I mean, by all means, ask whatever you need. Well, don't put words in my mouth, Doki Doki. I never said it's going to be good arting. No, but by all means, ask anything. I'm here to ask, not to ask, but to answer all of your questions. So don't worry about it. All right, so let's art. So this is gonna be 4 meters long, and just this should be good. These I will erase. Yeah, it's the time where I do the art. So what I wanted to try with this is make a cool beveling thing with like a custom profile. Plan for enemies. Well, the goal is for this to be basically a boss rush, so technically it's only gonna have like the one enemy, like one boss, and I'm just gonna experiment with like different boss type attacks and just try and make a satisfying boss fight, you know? How do people make these? Does this look cool? I always wanted to try like this kind of approach for railings and whatnot. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, that's actually, Yeah, it's actually good. Yeah, alright. And you know, why not just, you know, there we go. Or, no, basically just and now I can also do the other thing that I did on the other stream for the little columns around there. So just like take a bezier, scale it down. And 90 degrees and screw it. You know what? It could... Yeah, it's working much better that way. No reason to work hard, you can just work smart. Yep, looking good. I know, by the way, that what I'm doing, I like modeling crimes, but you know what? It's a game jam. I would probably do them if it were the game jam, but still. So. It means so much to hear that from you, you know? I'm borderline shy to use Blender in front of you, but yeah. Yeah, you know what? Everything's gonna be solid color because, you know, I have to finish this game at some point. So, I don't know. At some point, I was thinking of making like a tool to procedurally place, and basically using a GPU instancing models like these, because you know right now I'm just gonna end up like multiplying, just copying this all over the place. And it's not even gonna be visible due to the orthographic camera, is it? Well, it's okay. I mean, I will know it's there. Make a quick materialoni for this. Cool and cel-shaded and the whatnot. Yeah, this can look kind of R2. Oh, R is random. Yeah, actually that makes a lot of sense. This is 0. Could I? Could be 13. Minus 13. All the way to, well, that plus 200. So, okay. Let's duplicate a bounce. And I think well, 200 divided by 4 is 20. Wait, 200 divided by 4 is 50. Why did it? Why are they out of order? Jesus Christ. Why are these here? Why? Oh, okay, that was on me. All right. I'm gonna need like 50 of those. And 20, 30, 40, 50. Minus 13 to oh, is there a gap? I'm missing one. Yay! Yay! there's something I could do, which would be... Okay, yeah, I'll just add like a big invisible collider like around the edge and be done with it. Starting to look cool though. But the thing is, I still have some frame rate to spare. So let's change that. I'm gonna bring over greenery. Greenery. But first I want to make a change. Do I want to make a change? Is this... Nah, screw it, I'm not gonna make the change. I'm just gonna bring over greenery. Greenery, okay. First off, I think the part where I can actually bring over the whole greenery folder and it compiles, that's a big win. Alright, okay, I'm gonna make some grass and see, because you know, I might not even make any textures for the ground if I can get away with some cool little grass here and there. So, gonna be grass quads. I'm gonna use the... wait, no, the greenery grass shader, yeah. And now greenery is here. Oh, yeah, this is an error that I'm gonna fix at some point. Today is not that point. So yeah, it's just angry because I don't have a greenery manager already, though it should work. I mean, it shouldn't throw errors if it's not there. But I know what its issue is. And you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna add the global greenery manager, but also this ground here is gonna have a local greenery manager. Right. Also, with the new Unity, my editor is getting really crappy. But again, it is not readable. Your face is not readable. It's a texture and I'm not readable. Okay. Can I make... Wait, I'm gonna make something stupid. 2D... No, sprites... Does this say physic material? It's called physic material? I mean, whatever. Wasn't there a way to make a sprite? Oh. Is it because... Okay. You know what? I am gonna make that quick little adjusteroonie here. Or Or I could just bring over like a little slightly painterly texture and be done with it. So cedar, 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 cedar lamp, sense, picture. Then I have some painterly, another painterly texture. Environment. Yep, that should do it. I mean, it's very discreet, and that's exactly what I want. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's you know. It's just something to dirty up the ground, because I mean it's still ground, so yeah. But the thing is, I can now set this to be, that's an annoying thing, I have to set this to be a read-write texture. The ground, there we go. There we go. Use the surface normal. Surface blend height, that's cool. It's kind of weird that it's not getting the proper color. But I think it's gonna blend alright. Round copy, paste. Yeah, I mean that's the correct color, right? Whatever. Let's also use some Kenny textures. Greenery. You know what, I'm just gonna bring over all these so that I can pick. Oh yeah, all these also should. Oh, that wasn't the issue here. Yeah, sorry, ground. Yeah, no, just I'm gonna use my own color, thank you. Towards the square, to be honest. I can also cast shadows if I'm adventurous enough. Yeah, it won't ever get any screen space. Subsurface coloring, sorry. Oh, my pretty grass. Then I get my grass. There's no. Why? Where the freak is my grass? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, let me just bring back my local greenery manager because it will be convenient to have these here. Just scatter some grass here and there. Bring back the shadows because why not? The issue is pretty obvious. If I go to where my camera actually is, my grass disappears because it has a maximum drawing distance, and my cameras are pretty far away because there are still perspectives but with a very shallow field of view. So I have to make the maximum distance, minimum fit this be something like 200, and the maximum distance to be something like 400, and re-enable the planar reflections. And I have my grass here. Everything's looking cool. And my frame rate still decent. Then again, I have a decent machine, but decent, and I don't think I'll have much more grass than this, so. Thanks for the follow, Milau. Still, yeah, for that. Grass looks cool too. Grass looks good in general. I like grass. Grass is cool. Grass is never gonna hurt you. Oh, this is nice. it's too stylized. But it can look cool. Going outside. Some interactivity might be cool. Do I have the... I could say that I do have that. That I do. And what does that look like? Okay. No, I remember what I have to do for the... No. I could just modify the grass shader to just react to the player, and that's about it. And you know what? I think that's probably what I'm gonna do. So... layer here on the update, because why not? Shader, set level, vector. And I can open up grass shader. Yeah, no, screw that. I'm just gonna... That would change if I had actually 2 players, by the way, but yeah, whatever. So yeah, I have that, and... So this is wall space position, right? I'm a bit confused by that, but let's just say that it is, and say it's gonna be distance between the player position and the position. Z. And just saturate that. That's with a radius of 1, so yeah. And yeah, I can save the position Z plus equal, so it's going away, so position minus the global player position, normalize that, multiply by interactivity strength, I guess. So much. Because of that, okay. Kinda funky. Yeah, I assume that this wasn't actually world space position. Divided by 0.5. Like 0.1 or something. Oh, it's 1 minus. So now let be 1, and I can actually divide that by 2. Have like a stronger influence there. Yeah, okay, that's looking cool. Oh, and obviously multiply that by v.uv.y, and I can actually increase that now. Yeah. Yeah, right. I think I can go with that style. I can also five or something. I don't know. Okay, and the final thing for this stream, just so I can get it out of the way, I'm gonna add these colliders around it. That's it, keep them contained. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna keep like the level elements as pro builder things. Should actually make the colliders pro builder as well. There's still time to make it, to make this be pro builder. Yes, great, I'm just gonna make it a pro builder cube. That's gonna be much easier to change. Make the whole thing much taller and be done with this. Yeah, all like here. Okay, I'm too bored to do it the proper way, so I'm gonna do it the forbidden way. Sorry about that. Yeah, I think that's all good. Yep. I think that's good. I think I should probably leave it here. Yeah, either way, I'm probably gonna be spending some time placing grass and the such later on. It's pretty relaxing, really. And yeah, I've been streaming for almost 3.5 hours now. God damn it. Okay. Probably a good time to just call it here. I think plenty of progress was made today. Lots of visual stuff. Let me check some of my list as well. The dust VFX was done. Yeah, I guess this was done. I guess this kind of was done. Crowd shader, yeah, that was the first thing. Textures, well, not really. Yeah. And at some point, I should probably, add some gameplay there as well, because, yeah. Right now, there's not a lot of it. Also, do I have the ambient occlusion? Yeah, ambient occlusion is there. I can't decide if I want the ambient occlusion or like the shadows from the grass. I always toggle back and forth. Yeah, progress was alright. I'm quite happy with the progress. Oh, I should probably, yeah, that's one thing I'm gonna have to make. It's the rain. Because yeah, there's like supposedly ripples there, but also it's supposed to be raining everywhere here. So yeah, I have some ideas for that. Like, I'm not gonna use a particle system for the rain. It's gonna be one mess. It'd be actually interesting to do it on stream because it's a nice process, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'll stream again before I finish the geometry. So we'll see. I do like how the reflections turned out alright. I really dig how they turned out. They look cool. Oh, thanks, Sokyu. Yeah, I mean, for, I don't know, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like almost 4 incomplete days of work because I just work on it after work. Well, you know what? No, I'm not gonna go there because I've been using a lot of knowledge and, well, code also from the previous attempt at a similar project. So no, I'm not gonna pretend that. My normals are inverted. Why did nobody tell me that my normals are inverted? Okay, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. That was looking way off. Alright. Maybe I could add just like a little rim as a treat. Like just a little rim on the lit areas. No. That looks awful. Yeah, it does look awful. Never mind then. I do have the smoothness though. Yeah, the smoothness is looking alright. At this point, I'm really curious as to why I actually made the column. Well, they do cast nice shadows here. And also, I'll be thinking about what to set dress, you know, the void area here. Like, you know, big columns are cool and all, but I'm thinking maybe some trees or something. I don't know. For now, it's looking cool. We have grass, we have nice reflections. I'm closing in on the art style that I want. VFX are looking cool. I like them for now. And yeah, I think I'll be calling this stream done for now. So thank you all so much for joining. I hope you had fun. I hope this was interesting, though I was mainly struggling with some basic stuff, as one does. And yeah, I'll be sharing my progress on the Discord channel and on Twitter probably. So make sure you check that out. Thanks so much for joining again, and yeah, I'll see you in the next stream. Bye bye.